Hi Sumo let's have a look how to enhance or reduce your coming soon plan from AppSumo. The change plan link is available in the top right corner on every page on dashboard, or you can go to purchases and then click change your plan. Here you can see the 3 tiers that we offer and compare them to see which one fits your needs the best. After you decide, click Select Plan. That takes you to AppSumo, where you can continue to change your plan and once again confirm the new plan that you want. Obviously, if you're reducing your plan, you will be partially refunded. Or if you're enhancing your plan, you need to pay a little bit more. After you're done changing the plan on AppSumo, please go back to the dashboard and reload it so that the new settings can take effect.